the wrong way is like this one. You couldn't freedom to insert the feather. 你得离近一点，让他们看到光线是要从对先接到一边，然后很好。近。We make sure the emergency button is pop up, so we need to turn the light and click the machines part English and Spanish, which is the English, and it has 6 functions. We can show the places to this one and click OK. First of all, we show the air round parameters. We recommend you choose 2 laser wavelengths at the same time. For air round, we set the here the power is 980 laser power. For air round, we recommend the 2 or 3 watts, and the 1470 nanometers laser power is 2 watts. And here the total power is the 2 laser wavelengths together power is 5 watts. And the angel sum. Later we can show you the angel sum is standing for laser accumulate. It will count from 0. We need to note, you can see the unit, angel unit is G, joule. And in the bottom it has angel, is standing for the preset angel. So this one is cutting up from 0. Here is preset the angel output limit. It will cut down. Here are 3 working mode. The CW continuous with pulse mode and pulse mode single mode. Now we can show what's the difference of the 3 working mode. For this parameter is for the air round inlet. We click the ready and we step the full switch. The laser will working. You can see the laser is kept outputting without any pause time. This is CW, continuous pause mode. Okay, let's try the pause mode. Under the pause mode is very friendly for the beginners because we can set the both of laser working time and the laser pause time. Generally, we recommend you set the time on is 0.3 seconds and the time off time is double of the working time. Then we set all the parameter for pause mode. Here is the beams number. What does the beams number is presenting the laser emission pulses. Okay, we click the ready. We can check the pulse mode how to work. You can see the laser is working 0.3 seconds and stop 0.6 seconds. So that's under once you first use this machine, we recommend you pulse mode for better control. Okay, so the last one is single mode. The single mode is more used for the vascular remove and blood vessels remove. Under single mode, it's only working time available. The other button is not available. We can check. What does of the single mode meaning? It only work one time. So once you start the single mode, the laser will only working 0.6 seconds. And we also click ready. and let's step the full switch. You can see the laser only work one time. I keep step the full switch, but the laser is not work. So this one is single mode. Okay, I will introduce mode for pulse mode because it's very good for the beginners. Of course, for the advanced users already familiar with this machine, you may switch to continuous pulse mode once you gain the experience. For the interface here is to adjust the right inner light brightness. It has 6 levels. In common, we recommend you set the right inner light is 2 or 3. Here we can save up 3 parameters precisely. If we do face lipolysis, we choose this function. This is parameter for the face lipolysis.